old to be cops, Pat.
I didn't know y'all was still alive.
She didn't know we were still alive.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Blind in my eye.
Oh, we're very
I'm sorry.
Well, I honked the horn. I'm like,
Oh,
stop.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am.
we're looking for a man that was in a stolen car, and he ran from us, and he's around here somewhere.
Oh,
Young man, yeah.
you the police?
We are. Well, we're the
Guys old.
We're the friendly police. That's age.
No, you ain't. Y'all the mean.
Age
Y'all
makes
the
you.
old, y'all,
Age makes you.
y'all the old school ones.
Didn't you like the old school? Fletcher.
Huh?
Fletcher.
Yeah, I remember you.
How about this one, Pat Scott?
Do you? Yeah, that's Pat.
That's Pat.
How are you?
Fine. You remember me and Joel stole some gas? You came to Miss Bessie's house.
Yes, I do. How you doing, young lady?
Okay. Yeah, you know how many years ago that was?
Oh my
Just
God.
yet you look the same.
Thank you, baby.
That's how I
You look the
recognize
same.
you.
You look the same.
I can't wait to call Miss Bessie. I didn't know y'all was still alive.
Well, thanks a lot.
I'm just saying,
I know. Well,
and I was the baddest one of them all. Elon, I know y'all.
well, you turned out good, so
Yeah,
you're
I did.
it's all good.
I ain't never been to jail.
I think the old school way is the right way, don't you?
I was always a bad child, but I became a good adult.
What do you think made the difference?
I went to a foster home on Iglehart with Bill and Peggy Campbell,
Yep.
and I went there to their foster home.
268.
Mount TV. They just strictly books. And so in order for me to get emancipated as a minor,
206 to copy. Assisting West on a welfare check in Montreal and Davern. So, older female in her 70s, 5'7"
That's got-
pills wearing a light blue coat
Is
and
she on the
khaki
phone?
pants, walking around asking for a ride.
Anyhow,
Doesn't appear to be dressed for
the
the
foster
element.
home helped.
She's currently in the bike lane on Montreal.
then I became emancipated.
268,
And me and Joe got a place together, and me and Joel Stowers
Yeah.
on Sherman years ago.
Proud
Nice.
of you. Proud of you.
271.
Pretty good. I ain't never been in
How did her brother end up doing?
Which one? Bobby?
Yeah.
I'm going to be out at
We ain't gonna
Virginia.
talk about that.
Later. Nice to see you.
Bye bye.
3 Charlie
Take care.
Whiskey
You do.
uniform. Counselor for a gas drive off.
Small world.
We're too old to be cops, Pat.
Copy Virginia Van Buren out with a vehicle for
She didn't
counselor
know
on
we
a
were
gas
still
drive-off.
I
alive.
know.
206 for captain, another call.
So the canine is right over there, still looking for this guy.